wake up, rise and shine. It's a very special time. Morning sun is peeking through. School is waiting just for you. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Smile so bright with happy grace. Comb your hair and wear your shoes. Pick your bag in favorite hues. New little uniform, neat and nice. Looking cute as sugar spice. Button up and zip it tight. Everything is feeling right. Yummy breakfast on the plate. Munch it up, don't be late. Milk and fruits give energy. Ready for school happily. Tiny bottle, lunchbox too, packed with goodies just for you. Books and pencils tucked inside. First school day is full of pride. Mama waves with loving cheer. Have some fun and never fear. Daddy smiles and holds your hand. Off you go, so brave and grand. Step by step towards the gate. School bell says, don't make me wait. Many children laugh and play. What a bright, exciting day. Teacher greets with open arms. Smiling face and gentle charms. New friends say a sweet hello. Happy hearts begin to glow. Clap and sing and learn and play. Fun adventures all the day. First time school is joy, not fear. Hip hip hooray, school is here. Kav&Av, tunes, stories, and rhymes for happy times. Kav&Av, tunes, stories, and rhymes for happy